Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to link your console accounts to Ubisoft Connect. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and download the Ubisoft application. If you're having struggles with that, you can always go to our YouTube channel where we have a separate video on that and you can learn how you can do it. Now, let's see what we have in front of us here. In the left side of the screen, we have of course your profile, home, library, store, and Ubisoft Plus. And here you can subscribe to Ubisoft Plus in the top right corner. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and link your console account to Ubisoft Connect. So first of all, launch the app as I told you and log into your Ubisoft account. If you don't have one, you'll need to create one as I told you. Then navigate to the account management. Click on your profile, click on account management. Then go and click link a console. So select the option to link a console. This will prompt you to sign into your console account. So PlayStation, Xbox, Nintendo, and then follow the on-screen instructions to complete the linking process. Once your accounts are linked, you can access your Ubisoft games and content across your console and PC. And it is, of course, that simple. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.